So took a trade at the took another trade at the market close. This one, RHE, it's nicely overextended. Right at the last hour of the day, squeezing out. Now this was really close. I decided to take a trade from here when it topped out here, came down here. It almost stopped me out. This is a 1 minute chart. Yeah, the setup wasn't the best, but I mean, the theory behind it, I guess, is there. Nice overextension. Honestly, this was, at this point, it was a 50-50, but I thought coming up here, down here, it probably wouldn't squeeze. So, it barely, by a penny, didn't squeeze me out. But the only thing I can think of for the future is make sure that, I mean, this setup, honestly, this isn't a good setup. The context is good, but the pattern is not there. Only because it's so fast. This is a 1 minute chart, so yeah, volume's dying out. I think I might get another one. Risk 100. 75. Nah. This pattern isn't great, but got a nice overextension. Daily chart's crap. Hit this resistance point. If it's gonna collapse, it's probably gonna collapse now. That would have been the entry. I don't know if I want to add there. Yeah, it's probably gonna collapse now. Yeah, I mean, this is worth taking because it would have been worth taking only because the context is so good. I mean, this overextension is, that's gonna be tough to even break this high now. So, yep. So that's the setup. The setup was good. BTX I'm watching. There's actually shares to short for this one. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. This might be past the market close. So that's all I'm focusing on from now on. Overextensions, parabolic moves, exhaustion, and then I'm gonna short that first bounce. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep it simple. No breakdown shorting, no shorting like chasing trades way at the bottom. That's as far as I'm concerned. I mean, it can be done, but what's ending up happening is right now I'm just I'm mixing up these trades. If I'm shorting the tops, 1, 2, 3 reversals, or if I'm shorting breakdown shorts, and it's breaking down, you take aggressive inner lines on breakdowns, but on the 1, 2, 3s, you gotta take outer lines. Minimum 50% retracement, but on stocks that are completely broken, you don't do that. And what I do end up doing is shorting, like picking tops where it should be outer lines. I end up shorting it at the inner lines, and I get stopped out for that. So this is the second time it's happened. Now, over time, you could learn to not do that, but the problem right now is I think I'm just completely confused, and that's because yeah, I'm just too many setups. I'm just doing too many things. I can't do. It basically means I've hit my limit. So even at two strategies, breakdown shorts and picking tops, I can't handle it. I'm mixing things up and stuff. So I'm cutting out everything, and I'm focusing on just one trade, one pattern, and I'm just gonna focus on that. Whether I add more in the future, I don't know, but I can't make money right now, so all I do is lose money. So I'm gonna focus on one and use that to build my account. So, but even in that one, I mean, it can get infinitely complex. So the main goal right now is to just simplify. I'm just all over the place. So simplify one strategy, and that's it. And focus on that one strategy. So all these break down, even though it looks really good and I could trade it, I'll probably make money on it. What's gonna end up happening is I'm just gonna confuse myself with everything else. Things are gonna get complicated and mixed up. So I'm gonna focus on one. Whoa, look at that. Archie's still squeezing, which is great. This is great. So, not picking tops. Not gonna confuse myself with any of that stuff. Wait for that. This is pretty much done. It's near its exhaustion point, and I'm waiting for it to just confirm. So it should have went down here. Here's a point where it should have went down, but as soon as that gets rejected, now you're in for another squeeze. Yeah, I was thinking about entering here. You could have. Volume was dying out, but and that's the thing too. You don't want to focus on volume too much either. Just focus on the pattern, because the volume could be deceiving. Volume dies out like this. Here's dying out, and look at this spike in volume again, and now squeezing again. So the price action dictates everything. This is not gonna go much higher. I could put it to 8, enter at 7, 740. But you know what? I don't want to guess the top. I'm not doing that. Like I said, just one strategy, and I'm gonna master and focus on that one, and that's it. I'm just gonna assume I'm gonna master that one strategy for the rest of my life. And the thing is, that strategy could be applied anywhere, absolutely anywhere. Any stock that's going up is a potential trade, or any stock that goes parabolic, trending up, parabolic, whatever. Any stock shooting up is a potential trade.